Yo, what is good? And I'm here with another video. And today I'm about to show you guys how to make another meal prep video. It's gonna be chicken burritos or any type of chicken. Really, it's a nice chicken and it's a nice saucy chicken, good high in protein. So check it out. All right, so we got all the ingredients on the table. We got everything we need for the chicken burritos. So first, what I do is I get as much chicken breast as I need, cut it up into small little chunks. Smaller than that, obviously, but cut it into small enough chunks where I can actually like put it into a burrito, and then we fry it. So
Gets kick.
all right, so we got the paprika, the garlic powder, and the cumin, right? So we put the stove on, throw the chicken parts in, and then season it up. Oof, come on, more. I'm black. We season everything. More. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get out the way. Get out the way. More seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Bow. Come on. More. Yep. Then we mix it around until it's a nice orangish, brownish. Ooh. Come on now. Okay, now we got the vegetables. So first, I'm gonna cut up the bell pepper. Cut it into very small chunk or pieces or whatever you want to call it. So cut it into lines first and cut them into pieces. And then after that, I'm gonna finish chopping this up real quick, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Now we got the little shoddy cutting up the zucchini, you know what I'm saying? Look at those cuts, man. So precise. So triangular. Come on, man. And look at the chicken. Come on.
Kick.
You wouldn't eat that? You told me you wouldn't eat that. Because I would eat that so fast. Now we got the cilantro, so we got the shorty cutting up the cilantro. Shout out to best girlfriend in the world. So on to the next step. Alright, so now you put all the vegetables in with the chicken on the pan. Who would have ever guessed? Then you mix it around, and then after you mix it around, it should start looking like this. There he is. Come on. Woo. So inspirational. Then we gotta add our cheese and our cream cheese, I believe it was. Yes. So I use marble cheese for this, and then so all your preference of what cheese you want to add. Then you mix it around for a bit, let the cheese melt on the chicken and the vegetables, and it's supposed to come out like that. Look at it. Like, come on. Ooh, I forgot I did that. Damn, I forgot I did that. But look at it, man. Oh my goodness. Try. Oh, come on. And then she tries it, but obviously it's a bit too hot for her. So, oh Lord. Oh my gosh. And then now, next step is we put it into burritos, get some rice, put the chicken fillet on top of it, cut it up, and that's a meal right there.
Gets kick.
Walter White couldn't have done it without me.